Hello, my dear learners. Myself, Miss Mandakini Holkar, working in Department of Pharmaceutics. Today, we giving a special focus on our fifth unit, that is other antibiotics, under the chapter antimicrobial agents. In that, we are giving special focus on chloramphenicol drug. What is chloramphenicol? Chloramphenicol was discovered after being isolated from Streptomyces venuzilae in 1947. It contains chlorine atom and it is obtained from actinomycetes. So it is called as a chloromycete. Okay, chloramphenicol, it is a broad spectrum antibiotic useful for the treatment of number of bacterial infections. But there is a serious adverse effect of chloramphenicol is bone marrow depression. It is specially recommended for the treatment of serious infections caused by H. pylori, H. influenza infection and S. typhi, that is a typhoid, or S. pneumoniae. S means streptomyces pneumoniae infections. This is structure of chloramphenicol. This structure is important for at the time of explanation of SAR. This structure consists of paranitrophenyl group. Para means there is this position is called as a para position. This is our nitro group and this is our phenyl group. Okay, paranitro means there is a this nitro group is a present at the para position and this is our phenyl ring. Okay, this is first part of the structure. Now this second part of the structure is a acetamide group. Acetamide group, this is a acetamide group and there is a present of 2 dichloro group. Okay, now there is a third part of the structure is a 1,3 propanediol. 1, this is one position, 3, this is third position, and this is a propane. Propane means there is presence of 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3, and diol means there is a presence of 2 OH group. This is a one OH, this is a another OH, so it is a diol group. Okay, this is a structure of chloramphenicol. This consists of 3 parts. First part is a paranitrophenyl group, second is a acetamide group, and third is a 1,3 propanediol. So we are going to focus on SAR of chloramphenicol. This is structure of chloramphenicol. First SAR of chloramphenicol, or first point is a SAR of paranitrophenyl group. This is our paranitrophenyl group. Okay, if first point is a replacement of nitro group. If we are going to replace this nitro group by the other substituents, then there is a reduction in activity. Which type of activity? Antimicrobial activity. Okay, this is first point. Second point is shifting of nitro group from para position, then it also reduces the antibacterial activity. If we are going to shift this nitro group from the para position to the ortho or meta position, then there is a reduces the antibacterial activity. Third point is replacement of phenyl group. This, if we are going to replace this phenyl group by the other alicyclic moiety, if we are going to replace this phenyl group by the alicyclic moiety, as a result in less potent compound. Okay. Now fourth point, the paranitrophenyl group may be replaced by other aryl structures without appreciable loss of activity. If we are going to replace this total paranitrophenyl group, okay, with the other aryl structures, then there is a without appreciable loss of activity. Okay, this is first part of SAR. Now we are going to see the second part of SAR, the SAR of dichloroacetamide side chain. Where is the dichloro? This is a dichloro. Okay, dichloroacetamide group. This is the acetamide side chain. Okay, if we are going to replace, okay, if we are going to replace these chlorine atoms or these halogen atoms with the other dihalo derivatives, okay, then activity will be slightly decreases, or slightly less active compound. Okay, first point, what is first point? If replacement of these chlorine atoms with the other dihalo derivative, then activity will be decreased. In case of trihalo derivatives, if we are going to substitute the trifluoro, tri means three, halo means halogens, halogen atoms, it may be fluorine, chlorine, etc. Then it claims that the 2NHCOCF3 means 2, this is the NHCOCF3 म्हणजे that is dichloro, that is a dichloroacetamide, trifluoroacetamide group derivatives. It gives 1.7 times as active as a chloramphenicol. Activity will be 1.7 times as active as a chloramphenicol. Okay, this is our second part. Now we are going to see the third part of SAR. The SAR of 1,3-propanediol. This is our 1,3-propanediol structures. If the primary alcoholic group on C1 carbon atoms is modified, if we are going to modify this alcoholic group, okay, then decreases the activity, so that this alcoholic group is essential for the activity. If we are going to replace this alcoholic group by the other atoms, then activity will be decreases, so that this alcoholic group is essential for the activity. Okay, and second point is a stereochemistry of side chain is essential for the activity. The stereochemistry of this side chain is a essential for the activity. The diisomerase form of chloramphenicol is a more active than other isomer. These are the references for preparing these slides or these presentations. Thank you my dear friends.